came to Surabaya in 2025 before IW show. Okay, so we just had a successful event here in Surabaya, so which is our roadshow. So after the success of our roadshow in Jakarta, we had a bigger success here. We can see that because today with more than 50 delegates from the association, from the chamber, also from the manufacturers, logistics sectors, they attended our roadshow. And I'm so happy to see that today the main leaders from the association, like from the logistics association, from the packaging association, from the ISMI, from the business sector, we had a very meaningful discussion. It's all about the innovation, cooperation for the IW. So everyone knows that our IW show has improved a lot compared with the first edition. So every year we improve the quality of the exhibitors. Every year we innovated the theme, the main theme for the exhibition. So this year, so our exhibition, IW exhibition, so definitely it's an international show. So which is quite excited. We see that the local visitors, the local buyers or the local associations, they are quite interested to see what kind of innovation, what kind of latest equipment, what kind of latest technology they will be seeing at our show. So I still remember like the Food and Beverage Association, the GAPMMI, the main representative, highly recommended our exhibition IW to their members. So like the Packaging Association, like the Indonesian Logistics Association, we are working closely with the major associations. They are promoting our show IW as a most comprehensive platform for the networking, for the business collaboration for their members. So I think this year, for next month, all the associations, they will bring around 200 hosted buyers from Surabaya. So they are the manufacturers who are looking for the latest packaging, plastic, logistic, warehousing equipment from the show. And we also have the key members from the associations. So they are collecting the information from our events. And we also see that we will also invite the government side from the Surabaya. So that is to promote the manufacturer sector in Indonesia. So definitely our show is a platform for B2B, also a platform for the G2G, also a platform for the business networking and collaboration. So let's come and meet at the IW. Let's see more and more business happening after the show. So success for IW. So see you in Jakarta.